The first steps we are making like this circle. Make circle like that. Okay, circle, and then make it oval. Okay, the oval like this. Okay, here some circle, and you will make oval like this. See here, oval like this. So first make a circle, okay, and then make a oval. Okay, simple. So after that, this is a basic. Okay, this is a basic. And now you make here one circle. No. And two circle. Yeah, he torso pelvis. Yay! His torso pelvis. Right. So do first this one. Very simple one. Okay. So first we are make the mouth, then nose, then circle eyes, then eyebrow, then I make bottom and the stick. This is the first, and we can creating the sceneries like a land only. Okay, and we are making the some only tree. Okay, something tree like this in background. Okay, like this. Simple line. We make a scenery with this character. Okay. So all background, it is a it's going to long tree. Okay. This is pine or this garden kind of. Okay, no need to draw. You can draw something this tree. Very simple tree like this. Okay. Inside the tree like this, you can draw something like this. This is a pine tree, right? You can draw like this. Good morning. अभी सुबह बजे almost 12 o'clock. We are doing this. I'm gonna doing something. देखो ऊपर क्या कर रहा है? क्या कर रहा है बेटा? Drawing. I'm doing drawing. So I'm taking class. So just make some like this kind of tree inside, something like this. So it looks like a jungle. The characters in jungle. Okay. You can make some stone like this. So learn slowly the scenery. Okay. So this is very important to understand the scenery also. So this is full of eyes. Okay. So that's why you not see any green or other color. Only the white. Okay. All areas is white only. Okay. You draw? Okay, that's nice. Good. Done. I just make it now with a marker, so it is clear, understood, no?
No, sir, I'm not done.
Okay, take time, beta. Take time. आराम से करो. I make it little darker with a marker.
What kind of tree you are taking? Till now you don't know how to draw the tree.
Just
You are learning drawing.
make it slowly. Just make it straight line like this. Take time, okay, beta? आराम से. Okay. This is a some logs kind of. Okay, don't do fast, slowly you can do. Make it bottom. This drawing is so easy, but the expression, I love the expression. There's something talking about, okay, someone's, there's a smiley face. I like that. Okay, first draw this character and then tree is so easy, just straight line. Okay, this is an only straight line. Try your best. No, 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 no. Okay, take time, aram se. We are going to the color source of lights coming from these sides. So that's why this side light, this side dark. Hello. Okay, and this color also little dark. I can create the cobalt blue. Okay, cobalt blue like this. Hello, hello. Drawing class, tell me. Can you talk me in Hindi or English, ma'am? So make it okay like this. The background, okay. So I'm using the background with the cobalt blue. Okay. Make it with the cobalt blue. Okay. Some stones color. This all color I'm using the just cobalt blue, sky blue or Prussian blue. These three colors you can using. Okay. So it looks nice if you are creating like this. Okay. The backgrounds, I'm using the violet color. Like this, little bit of violet. All tree. So I just create one side color, okay, not both sides, one side color for light and shades. This sticks color is a brown actually, okay, put the brown color over here. Aram se, take time. And this is black only. This is the character of animations movie called Frozen. Okay. So this Frozen areas, like everything is white only. Okay. Covered with the eyes. So not use any other color. Okay. It should be dark color only. So we are using this inside this. Like this, see, I just make it cover with this sky color outside. This tree I am using the cobalt blue, the pine tree. Okay, take time, आराम से करो बेटा. Like this. Okay, take time. If you want to more depth, you need some little bit of dark color use somewhere. So I'm using Prussian blue over here, right? So it looks more depth. So this is scenery of Frozen animations movie. You are make some more tree outside like this. It looks great. Lots of tree. Okay, take time. So background is little darker. Okay, we make the tree, more tree. So it looks more jungle kind of, no? If you draw like this, the background. More, just draw, no need to color because it's one color only, so you can make it like this. So this is the movie called the Frozen. One animation movie is called the Once Upon a Time Snowman. That's the movie name. So you can go ahead. So as you know, I am always showing one scenery and the cartoon character design. So you can learn lots of things. Okay. So all I'm using only okay, I'm using only the blue, violet, sky, Prussian blue. This all this color. Okay, so take time and make your best.